Everyone, happy sunny Wednesday. The sun is so bright outside. No rain already. How many weeks always raining here? It's flooded in the road. But now it's enough. The sun is so bright. Thank you, Lord, because how many? Already 1 week we did not receive any alert for the missile and drones attack. I hope the war is already ended totally, not coming back anymore. They have peace talk this time. I hope we're gonna united na. No war will happen again. Anyway guys, today is Wednesday, April 15. Enjoy your day. I hope everyone is always strong and healthy, no sickness, out of danger. Make me our day today, filled with love, joy, peace, happiness, compassion, and unity to each other. And God bless everyone. You know, I miss you all. It's been long time. I cannot do this. Last 2 weeks, the rain is continuous and the road is always flooded. Anyway guys, that's all. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy sunny Wednesday everyone. Bye.